Hey everyone, we're making Afghan cookies today. If you haven't had them before, they are the most delicious cookies ever.
Be quiet.
We are just melting the butter in the microwave, and then we're going to mix the butter and the sugar together.
Let's make Afghan cookies.
Afghan cookies are a traditional cookie in New Zealand. Let's make sure we've got all the butter out of the dish.
I want to mix it all.
You mix it. There you go. And then we need to add the sugar. How much sugar do we need, guys?
Maybe 10 grams.
Half a cup of sugar. Stop licking the butter, please. Who wants to tip the sugar in?
Me. Tip it in. No, mix.
And we need the electric mixers.
Why?
Who wants to use the electric mixer? Sammy, do you want to do the electric mixer?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Me electric on. Electric cookie. Electric cookie.
Do you want to have a turn? Okay, switch round. Maybe come closer. Hold on. We're not ready to lick yet, honey. We're not ready to lick just yet. Hey, stop. It's not ready. What else do we need to put in here, do you think?
Cereals.
Let's have a look. Can you stop eating that, please?
Wow.
I'll have none left. So now we got to do flour, coconut, cocoa, vanilla. Ready?
Coconut.
Who wants to put the flour in?
Me.
Sammy, put the flour in. Ready?
I need this first.
Hey, stop licking it.
No.
1. Put that in.
Don't. Yeah.
And 1/4. A little bit more. Now we need to do the cocoa.
Cocoa.
1/4 cup of cocoa.
100 grams of cocoa.
Do you know what this is? Makes it all chocolatey.
Is that what good chocolate tip?
There you go. You tip that in. Who wants to mix? Someone want to mix it?
Me.
Okay, hold the bowl so the bowl doesn't tip over. Afghans is a very simple recipe to make with children.
I'm mixing it. What's this on the spoon?
Yeah, keep mixing so it's all mixed up together. Do you want me to help? Okay. Are we going to put corn... Okay, stop. Are we going to put cornflakes in now?
Yes!
Yes?
We have to do it now.
Where's the cup, honey? Where's the cup? 2 cups we need. 2 cups of cornflakes. Can you mix? Can you mix it? Need a little bit of vanilla now. Come on.
No. It's got vanilla doing.
All right, AV, can you put your bottom down here? Put your feet down.
Here.
So that looks like it's all mixed up. Now we need to put it on the cookie tray and put it in the oven
No.
No more.
Way too much.
Do you guys want to lick those? One each?
Thank you.
Now we're going to roll the cookies out into a cookie shape on the baking tray, aren't we?
Weird cookie.
The kids are busy licking their spoons.
So since you can see them, I'm going to need...
Is that delicious?
Yummy yum. Wow.
Do you want, Avi, just jump down, honey. Do you want to lick that?
No, look at that then.
Okay, you guys jump down.
Put the chocolate on it. I only got some places.
Now the kids are distracted. They're watching the Mario movie on TV. So I'm just doing the icing for the Afghan biscuits. It's traditional to have a chocolate icing and a half a walnut on the top of Afghan biscuits. So I'm just doing 1.5 cups of icing sugar, some cocoa powder, vanilla and butter to make the icing. I'll link the recipe for this below. I'm just following a recipe that I found online. Just adding a little bit more icing sugar because it just became a bit too runny. I put a bit too much water in my icing mix because I tend to not really follow a recipe for the icing. I just tend to eyeball the right proportion of water to icing and butter. So that's all nice and smooth now, and I'll go and put it on the cookies. These are the Afghan cookies. I've just come out of the oven and I'm just about to put the icing on. Sammy can't wait to taste test them, can you, Sam?
I can't wait. But are they hot?
They are. Maybe we should ask Avi to crack some walnuts for us and then we can put a walnut on top of them.
No, I hate walnut.
You don't like walnuts, do you?
Yes.
You don't. Yeah, it's traditional with an Afghan cookie to put a walnut on the top, but I know there is a lot of children that probably don't like walnuts.
Yes, so we don't.
Ava absolutely loves walnuts.
Now, should we put one for...
We'll put some on for Avi and then some without, hey, for you.
Okay, since I do not like... Since it's nice, that rolls Avi side, that bit is Avi side, and that's my side, and that's my side.
Don't touch. They're not ready. You have to wait until they're a little bit cool. Are you guys ready to eat Afghan cookies?
Yes.
One for you.
Come here.
One for you.
We got back to one.
And I want you to have a bite and tell me if they're delicious.
Delicious.
They're delicious.
Yummy. Yes.
What's your favourite bit about the Afghan cookies, Sam?
They're crunchy and they taste like chocolate.
What's your favourite bit about the cookies, Ava?
I like the one cookie. It's nice. You want to have some?
Mummy, have a little bit?
But don't eat it all.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.